What's up, my stock market bulls and bitches? This is Willie Chambo, aka the Atheist Killer, aka Stocktradamus, back at you with another video. Like I always tell you guys, I'm still not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I don't do technical breakdowns. I still don't deep dive like Greg Louganis in a fucking Speedo. And unlike your favorite YouTuber, dude, I'm not going to ask you to join my Discord chat. I'm not going to ask you to put money into Weeble because I'm a fucking affiliate. And I don't even do my own goddamn due diligence, bro. But one thing I do know how to do, and the one reason that you're actually here right now on my channel is because you fucking know that your boy knows how to pick those winners. So without any further ado, the reason you guys are here, I'm not going to waste any of your fucking time. The top 5 hottest stocks to purchase right now. Right out the gate, let's get it popping. The big dog, you see it. The champion, the titan, the Tesla killer, NIO. This has rapidly become everyone's favorite stock. And I've been talking about this company on my channel for a few months, and now it looks like everyone is finally beginning to see the vision. Over here really quick and look at the chart. NIO is currently at $46. Our 52-week high is $57. And I don't know how many of you guys can read, but if you come over here and look at the chart, it clearly says fucking moon. And the reason it says fucking moon is because NIO's about to take us all to the goddamn moon. So what I need you to do is get your space boots, your space helmet, and an entire fucking space suit because we're going rocket ship, baby. Look, man, let me tell you guys something. The only reason that this stock was down in the first place was because a lot of you IPs, and if you don't watch my channel, you may not know what an IP is. It's an idiot and a pussy. A lot of you IPs got out due to unsupported delisting fears and the recent $3 billion stock offering. We all know it, man. But first of all, NIO's not getting delisted. They're compliant with all the audit regulations. And even if they weren't, they would be given 3 years to become compliant. And the offering at $39, all that did was make your boy Chambo even more fucking bullish on this company. As if that was even possible. It shows that even though they had capital, they wanted more. And the reason is they're in Operation Warp Speed for R&D, ramping up production due to demand, which is a great fucking thing, building more NIO houses, building more battery swapping stations, new battery technology to make their batteries more efficient and last longer, the robo-taxis, autonomous driving, all the fucking shit, man. The acquisition of this capital actually shows me that they are exactly who I thought they were, a company who wants to lead the world's EV market and come for Tesla. And that they wanted to do it fast. If they didn't raise the capital, that's what would have made me worried, man. So for all you IPs who jumped ship and sold out, well, I feel sorry for you guys. Now the thing is, guys, now that the negativity has passed, the negative news has subsided, NIO is already back on track and starting to catch fire again. So because they're back on fire, what I need you guys to do is buy as many goddamn shares as you can before January 9th, which is NIO Day, when they're going to come out with their new sedan and all the shit, man. Because after that, this shit's about to get outrageous, man. Anything you can pick up before then will look like a steal come mid-2021. It's going to be a goddamn bargain, man. When you look back on today, you're going to say, goddamn, I set it off at $46. I promise you. Also, Q4 deliveries are getting ready to come out, and they're expected to look great. They're expected to be another goddamn catalyst. So for my NIO price prediction, it remains the same as it was a few months ago. Come NIO Day, $60. Come into 2021, I'm guessing $150. All right. Up next, let's move right along. We got my number 2 stock pick right now, SBE, the special acquisition company Switchback Energy that's going to be merging with ChargePoint. Let's look right now at the chart and see what we have, man. It appears SBE is sitting at $35. We got a 52-week high of $44. We got a nice little, what we got here? It looks like double titty right here, up to a high point boner, down to a whatchamajig fish hook. All right, so as you guys may already know, the merger was supposed to happen this month, but it got pushed back to January. So we have seen a slight pullback on this stock due to the fucking IPs. But we don't give a shit about that. If you were Snow White and you went to sleep like for the next 30 years and then you woke up, the first thing you would do is say, hey, Billy, what happened to all the fucking gas stations? And he would politely tell you, all the gas stations is gone, Snowy. They've been replaced with charging stations. And they've been replaced with ChargePoint charging stations, to be exact. This company is looking to expand. They already have captured more than 73% of the market, and I see no limit to what this company can become. As the EV sector grows, this company will grow right along with them, man. So my price target for this one You see it. You see it right here in gold, man. $200. Up next, let's keep this shit rolling, man. This one might rub some of you guys the wrong way, but my number 3 pick is LCA, Lancadia Holdings, another SPAC company that will be merging with who? GNOG, better known as Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Listen, man, let me tell you guys something. The vote merger did not go through today because not enough people voted. It's not such a terrible thing. It got pushed back to December 29th. So what I expect to happen with this, because we're sitting at $21, our 52-week high is $25. What I expect to happen here with this is, because you see we got the double titty, and then we came down. And what was going to happen prior to this, it was going to go back up. But now what I expect to happen is I have a funny feeling that this shit is going to dip maybe down to 18, maybe 17, and at the least we might get it all the way back down to $15, okay? But don't worry about that shit unless you're a fucking ip, because we don't give a shit about that, man. Get ready to see a nice buying opportunity this week and maybe anytime before December 29th, because as the ips jump ship prior to the merger vote, the fucking bulls buy the dips, man. That means all next week I'm going to be picking up more shares. So at the end of the day, all this is going to do is create a tremendous buying opportunity for us. Now, you may hear a lot of people comparing GNOG, LCA, to DraftKings, but I think that this shit is going to go a lot higher than DraftKings, because DraftKings primarily focuses on sports betting. But the iGaming and online casino market is way fucking bigger than that, dude. If you go check it out, I think it's like 7 times bigger, which is fucking crazy. And not only that, if you go on the shit and look, you can have like live dealers dealing you the cards for your poker, your blackjack, and all the shit. So this company is also owned by Tillman Fertitta, the owner of the Houston Rockets, which I like because he's high profile and he knows how to get things pumped up. He's good at marketing. But as soon as more and more states pass legislation to legalize this industry, this stock is just going to keep continuing to rise. So my price target on this one, as you guys see it once again in gold, $85. You got to love it, baby. I'm going to stay in this one long and strong. Next up on our list, but back to LCA for a minute. Before I get to the next one on our list, I just want to tell you guys, be very careful. Don't buy the shit yet. Don't buy it right now. Wait until next week until you find the best entry point, because next week there is going to be a fucking dip. I don't want you guys to buy it right here at $21. Don't do that. It's definitely going to dip under 20, probably more likely around 18, 17. Maybe, again, could go all the way down to 15. So be careful. But it is a stock you want to buy now. Just pay attention to what the fuck is going on. Next up on our list, man, we got ticker symbol TDAC, who is going to be merging with Lottery.com. If we take a look at it, let's check it out. It's sitting at $12. 52-week high, $14.30. Come over here. We got a super boner down to a stagnant period and into a nice little fish hook. Which, you know, man, I'd like to tell you guys, most SPACs have a floor of about $10. So this is an optimal goddamn price point to get in at. It's optimal. Right now, $12, you can't beat that shit. And I wouldn't expect to see any major changes in the next couple weeks with this stock. Maybe a slight jump, maybe up to around $14 or $15. But I wouldn't also be surprised if it went down to 11. This, for me, is a long-term play with huge upside, though. And not a lot of people have it on their radar. Not a lot of people are talking about it. So I thought that I would throw it in there for you. Right now, you can play the lottery in about 9 states, but Lottery.com wants to expand this to all 50 states and also around the goddamn world. They want to go fucking worldwide, baby. They also want to make everything completely seamless and streamless and fucking make it so you can play lottery right from your fucking house, right from your phone. And who doesn't like to play the lottery? Especially when you no longer have to leave your house and go to the gas station. Fuck that. You can just sit on your goddamn couch and play Mega Millions. Perfect. I think in the long run, if you get in now at this price point, at this $12 range, you're going to look back and say, holy fuck, man, in 2 to 3 years, and say, goddamn, this was a complete fucking bargain. So as you see it again right here in gold, TDAC merging with Lottery.com, I'm going to say this shit's going to end up to the goddamn moon. Price target on that one, $125. All right, man. And finally, last but not least, the 5th stock on our list to buy now is MP Materials. You may have recently heard the CEO talking to Jim Cramer on Mad Money about this company and how it has enormous potential. But what is it? A lot of people don't even know what it is yet. Well, it's essentially a mining company that mines rare earth material and goes hand in glove with the EV sector. You may be asking, Chambo, how so? Well, they mine for material that makes the magnets required for all electric vehicle motors, whether that be Tesla, NIO, Xpeng. Every fucking EV company on the planet will need these materials to function. And I recently heard that this shit is going fucking moon. A little birdie told me, hey, Chambo, this shit's going fucking moon. But I also heard a little bit of bad news. I heard some news about them having a mine in Africa that won't even be in operation for a few years. And I also heard, because I'm here to keep it real with you guys, that they have to outsource some of their product to China first before they're actually even able to distribute it. So for that reason, I'm waiting personally for a slight pullback in the next few weeks, and then I'm going to think about taking a position. I haven't taken a position in this yet, but let me know down in the comment sections what you guys think. And remember, guys, just fucking remember, man. Actually, before you remember, I didn't even tell you guys this. Price target, right here. $250. You see it right here in the gold, man. Sitting at 32. Huh? Wait for this slight pullback. I'm going to say it's going to come back down in the upper 20s. And then walla walla bing bang. There you go, baby. Price target $250 fucking moon. Hey, man. If you didn't like anything that I fucking said tonight, and if you didn't agree with anything that I said in this video, just remember one thing. We don't give a shit about that.